Hello students, welcome to this class of BA Part First English Literature. I am Dr. S.S. Vedwan, Department of English. And dear students, today we will discuss a beautiful novella by George Orwell, and the title is Animal Farm. The format for today's class, dear students, is the question answer format. Today we will discuss some short questions often asked in your examinations. So let us start with Animal Farm by George Orwell. The first question is different allegorical names that represent different places and persons in the novel Animal Farm. So the answer is Manor Farm represents Russia, Mr. Jones represents Tsar of Russia, Old Major represents Karl Marx or Lenin, Napoleon represents Stalin, Snowball represents Trotsky, Boxer represents farmers or the common man. Who is the writer of the novel The Animal Farm? And the answer is George Orwell. What kind of a novel is Animal Farm? It is a political allegory. So this novel Animal Farm is a political allegory. Who was owner of the animals? And the answer is Mr. Jones was the owner of the animals. What was the original name of the animal farm and where was it situated? Dear students, the original name of animal farm was Manor Farm and it was situated in England. What type of man was Mr. Jones? He was drunkard, very cruel man who did not take care of the animals properly. What was the name of the white goat in the novel Animal Farm? And the name of the white goat was Muriel. What was the name of the tame raven kept by Mr. Jones? The answer is Moses. Name two rival pigs in the novel. The two rival pigs in the novel are Snowball and Napoleon. Who was Napoleon? Napoleon was a big pig who became the leader of the animals. Name the animal who combined the characteristics of Lenin and Marx, both. And the answer is Old Major. What was the title of the song which the Old Major talked about to the animals? It was Beasts of England. What is animalism, or what do you understand by animalism? It was the title given to the teachings of the Old Major. Who did the propaganda for Napoleon and other pigs? It was Squealer. Who was Molly? Molly was a white mare. Whose picture was hung over the mantelpiece in the drawing room of Mr. Jones? The picture was of Queen Victoria. How many commandments were given to the animals? Name them. In all, 7 commandments were given to the animals, and they are: whatever goes on 2 legs is an enemy. Whatever goes on 4 legs or has wings is a friend. No animal shall wear clothes. No animal shall sleep in bed. No animal shall drink wine. No animal shall kill any other animal. All animals are equal. So these were the 7 commandments. Who wrote the 7 commandments on the wall? It was Snowball who wrote the 7 commandments on the wall. Who were the faithful followers of the pigs? The 2 horses, Boxer and Clover, were the most faithful followers of the pigs. What were signs of slavery which were destroyed by the animals after the rebellion? Mouthpiece chains, nose rings, knives, and ropes were destroyed by the animals after the rebellion. Which animal remained unchanged after the rebellion? Old Benjamin, the donkey, he remained unchanged after the rebellion. What was the first thing done by the animals on the first morning of freedom? They visited the farm and the building. So all the animals, they visited the farm and the building. What was the motto of Boxer's life? Remember Boxer, the cart horse, a very hard worker. His motto was, I will work harder. What was the single maxim into which the 7 commandments were reduced by Snowball? It was 4 legs good, 2 legs bad. Who consumed milk and apples? Pigs consumed milk and apples. Who gave birth to 9 puppies? Jessie and Bluebell gave birth to 9 puppies. Who doubted the success of animalism? It was Benjamin, who always doubted the success of animalism. How did animals spend Sundays? They did nothing but rest on Sundays. What was the name given to the General Assembly? The name given to the General Assembly was the meeting. Who represented the press and media in the novel? It was Squealer. How did the meeting end? It ended with the song Beasts of England. From whom did Snowball learn his military strategy? From Julius Caesar. What military decoration was given to Boxer? Animal Hero First Class. When was the Battle of Cowshed fought? The Battle of Cowshed was fought on 12th October. Who had brought the news of an attack on animals by Mr. Jones and his men? It was a group of pigeons. Where did this battle take place? The battle took place in the cowshed. What happened when Mr. Jones and his men thought that they had won the battle? They shouted with joy, but they were suddenly attacked by the animals that had been hiding in the cowshed. What was Molly's role in the battle? She did not take part in the battle. She hid herself in the stable. What use was made of the guns of Mr. Jones? They were fixed on the wall as a sign of victory and were fired on every 12th October in commemoration of the victory of Cowshed. What were the 2 slogans of Boxer? The 2 slogans of Boxer were, I will work harder and Napoleon is always right. What was the cause of quarrel between Snowball and Napoleon? The building of the windmill was the reason at the surface level, but the real cause of the quarrel was the question of leadership of the farm. How was Snowball expelled from the farmhouse? He was chased out of the farm by the 9 big dogs of Napoleon. What changes were made by Napoleon after Snowball's expulsion? Napoleon took over the complete command of the farm with the help of his dogs. Meetings of animals were stopped. Animals were forced to work for the whole week, and the last commandment was changed. How was the last commandment changed? The last commandment was changed from all animals are equal to all animals are equal, but some are more equal than others. What does this new addition mean? It meant that pigs were more important than all other animals. Who was Minimus? He was a pig who composed songs and poems. How did Squealer defend Napoleon's decision in favor of building the windmill? He said that Napoleon was never against the windmill. Snowball had stolen the plan from Napoleon's papers. Thus, the windmill was Napoleon's original idea. Who was blamed for all the mishaps on the farm? Snowball was blamed for all the mishaps on the farm. What happened to the animals who confessed that they had helped Snowball? They were all killed. What was the new song which replaced Beasts of England? And who composed it? Minimus composed a new song, Animal Farm, never through me shall thou come to harm. How was Napoleon's life changed? And the answer is, he did not appear much in public. He was always accompanied by 9 dogs. He ate alone. He slept on bed. He drank wine. He was called our leader, Comrade Napoleon. How and by whom was Napoleon deceived? Frederick deceived Napoleon by giving him forged currency notes. Who destroyed the windmill in the farm? Frederick, with his 12 men and 6 guns, destroyed the windmill. How did Boxer die? Boxer was wounded when he was dragging a big stone. He was sold to a butcher who killed him. How was Boxer's death reported on the farm? Squealer told the animals that Boxer had died in a hospital, although Napoleon did everything to save his life. What was done by animals in Boxer's honor? Napoleon made speech, and the pigs held a feast and drank wine. How did the pigs try to resemble the human beings? Squealer started walking on his back legs, that is on 2 legs, and then all other pigs also did the same. So they started behaving and walking like human beings. What did the sheep bleat? 4 leg goods, 4 leg good, 2 legs better. How was the name of Animal Farm changed? The original name of the farm, Manor Farm, was restored. How does the novel end? It ended with pigs and human beings drinking and playing cards together. They mixed up with each other so that it was impossible to recognize and to say which was which. What new holiday was added to the farm calendar? The new holiday added to the farm calendar was Napoleon's birthday. Which animal had been absent from the Battle of Windmill? Squealer. What was the age of retirement of horses and pigs? It was 12 years. How did Boxer intend to spend his time and retirement? By learning the alphabets. Who was the oldest pig? 12 years of age on the farm. It was Old Major. What was the unalterable law of life according to Benjamin? According to Benjamin, the unalterable law of life was, he always said that it was hunger, hardship, and disappointment. What was Old Major's dream? Old Major's dream was about a happy and free future of animals that would have plenty of food. What was Old Major's rich experience of life? He felt that the life of animals on the farm was short and unhappy. They were overworked and poorly fed. Man was the cause of their misery. What is the underlying idea of Old Major's speech? The main idea of Old Major's speech is the communism of Russia. The animals represented poor laborers. Men represent capitalist class who always exploited the laborers. What were the two warnings given by Old Major to the animals? They were: number one, he told the animals that man was liar and selfish. And the second was, animals should not copy habits of men like sleeping in bed, wearing clothes, and drinking wine. How did the rebellion come about? One Saturday night, Mr. Jones drank heavily. Next day, his servants did not feed the animals. And when animals ate from the boxes, Mr. Jones started beating the animals. Animals kicked Mr. Jones and forced him to run away. What were the points of difference between Napoleon and Snowball? Snowball was a good speaker. He was full of schemes and he wanted to develop the farm on scientific lines. He wanted to build a windmill. But Napoleon was cunning. He had no schemes. He opposed the schemes of Snowball and he wanted to rule animals with weapons. How did the life of animals become harder after the revolution? The animals, except the pigs, were hungry and their rations had been reduced. They were forced to work on Sundays and they lost all their freedom. Dear students, I hope you have understood the basic questions and their answers. In the next video, we'll continue with another discussion on the novel Animal Farm by George Orwell. Thank you very much.